A new beginning has an good endings. Creativity is an power of intelligence to good your success. Coronavirus are a large family of virus that causes ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East respiratory system MERS-CoV. A novel coronavirus is a new strain that has not previously identified in humans because it contains zoonotic meaning that are transmitted between animals and peoples. Detailed investigation has been founded that SARS coronavirus was transmitted from civet cats to humans and MERS COVID from the drowned camels to humans. Several known as coronavirus are circulating in animals that have yet not infected humans. Common signs of infections include respiratory symptoms, cough, symptoms of coronavirus is and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia, severe attack of respiratory system, kidney failure, and even also death. Standard recommendation to prevention spread include regular hand washing, cover mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, thoroughly cooking meat and eggs. It avoided choose to contact with anyone showing symptoms of respiratory yourself. Clean your hands frequently with an based on rub or wash with the soap water or an hygienic sanitary products. Coronavirus or large family virus that causes illness ranging from the respiratory syndrome severe disease can causes in middle of in 2019 and coronavirus new strain has been not been previously identified in humans and cause COVID-19 coronavirus disease. And antibody works against consist that 2019 preventions or measurements the virus can causes the range of symptoms from the ranging. So viruses are named by the International National Committee on Taxonomy virus of ICTV. No antibiotics and known against virus. Therefore antibodies are should must be means of prevention measurement in coronavirus and showing respiratory symptoms maintains it based on our prevention in the viruses can causes common cold respiratory system. So a final touch of this, it's not whether you get up to knock down it's a whether get guy try yourselves. It's a good beginning to start a nice ending. I pray God to give a good endings of this virus disease. Who are all arranging from this arrangements, I am very hope to saving this. I am very happy to engrow our knowledges from this COVID-19. Thank you for this given us a very good golden opportunities. Thank you.